If you want to see how I go from this to this, keep on watching. Hey beauties, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For this hairstyle, you're going to need a comb, your favorite edge control or wax, and some hair.
With the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back, she bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill, the space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it.
When I do this hairstyle, it always helps me to hold one half of the hair in my mouth to keep it taut as I twist the other side. Then, once one side is twisted, it's always easy for me to twist the other side.
Words on a page, everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I'm saying turn to the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous, like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage, like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quit to tell me I'm a fake.
Beauties, when doing this hairstyle, you do it the same exact way as 2-strand twists. You twist one half forward and the other half backward.
It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of Psalms with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. And get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know.
Remember, beauties, twist forward with one side and backward with the other side.
Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Told her throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with
Then, continue the same twisting direction as you did when you first began.
I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my
Step 1. After moisturizing, separate your hair into 2 even halves.
Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave.
Steps 2, 3, and 4. Stretch the hair. Place the hair with your natural hair. Then make sure one side is taut. Step 5. Begin twisting.
Keepsake in the field with the cleat lace. Beat flick with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I patted my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show need a passport, cause the beat bounce to the caps.
Once you've twisted one side, then you can move on to the other side and twist in the opposite direction.
Did jump up a couple figures, but like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave.
Once those steps are complete, that's when you can twist your hair as if you did not have any hair added. But beauties, don't forget, continue to twist your individual halves the same direction as you did when you first started. I ran out of beeswax once I got to the top, so I recommend getting an extra jar or 2 when you do this on yourself.
Right, I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain.
Here's the process one more time for you beauties.
Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my